You sleep 7 to 8 hours. But every morning, you still feel drained, eyes heavy, brain fogged. It's like your body slept, but didn't rest. This isn't just you. Millions wake up feeling exactly the same. And the real reason? It's not just bad sleep. It's deeper. Let's uncover it and show you the fix. First, understand this. Sleep hours don't equal sleep quality. If your brain isn't entering deep sleep, the stage where real recovery happens, you'll wake up exhausted, no matter how long you stay in bed. What blocks deep sleep? Screens before bed. Stress or overthinking. Eating late or sugary food at night. These things raise your cortisol, spike your blood sugar, and confuse your body. It tries to rest, but can't. The result? You toss, turn, dream weird dreams, and wake up with zero energy. Now here's part 2. Your body may look fine, but inside, your energy system might be starving. Not for food, but for nutrients. When you lack magnesium, B12, iron, or vitamin D, your cells can't make energy. You feel tired, lazy, foggy, even depressed. No sleep can fix a deficiency. You must feed your cells. Real sunlight every morning. Green leafy foods, seeds, eggs, and healthy fats. And yes, blood tests if the tiredness won't stop. This isn't just self-care, it's survival. And finally, the part no one talks about, mental exhaustion. You scroll till midnight. You're overloaded, overstimulated, always on. Your body might be resting, but your brain is still racing. This is why silence before sleep matters. Try this. 10 minutes with no input, no phone, no noise, just breathing. Or journaling one small win from your day. Let your brain feel safe. That's when real rest begins. You're not broken. Your body just needs rhythm. Your cells need fuel. Your mind needs quiet. Start tonight. Small steps. Big difference. If this helped, share it with someone who always says, "I'm tired, but I don't know why." They might not need more sleep. They just need the right kind.